Welcome. If you want to boost engagement and make your Instagram stories more interactive, there's a brand new update that lets you control who can reply to your stories directly from your PC. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable your followers to reply to your stories so you can connect with your audience in a more personal way. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the latest features. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see the More icon. It usually appears as 3 horizontal dots or a similar symbol, depending on your layout. Click on this icon to open up a menu with more options. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize your Instagram experience and manage how people interact with your content. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Message and Story Replies. This section is crucial because it allows you to decide who can respond to your stories, helping you shape the kind of community you want on your profile. Next, select Story Replies. This will show you several options for who can reply to your stories. To encourage more interaction and make it easy for your audience to connect with you, choose the option labeled Your Followers. By selecting this, you're allowing everyone who follows your account to reply directly to your stories. That's it. With these changes, your followers will now be able to reply to your stories from their devices, and you'll likely see a noticeable boost in engagement and conversation on your posts. Try out this new feature and see how it transforms your interactions. Keeping your community engaged is key to growing your presence and making your Instagram stories a place for real connection. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check back for more tips on making the most of your social media experience.